What's up, y'all? Welcome to our channel. This is Lovebox Studios. Okay, this first purchase is from Flare Audio. It's their sleeper earplugs, and they're a company that makes ear protection and also different audio stuff for musicians, performers, and just people who are looking to protect their ears. Check it out. Got 15% off. Awesome. Long live ears. So these ones, I got the ones that glow in the dark, so you could like kind of see them and other people can see, hey, I have this in my ear, so my wife doesn't think I'm just ignoring her. There's actually 3 pairs included. I thought that was really cool because I'm sure that, you know, they're gonna have some use on them. It has all the instructions right there. Super fast fitting. So I guess it says that you take it out, roll it, kind of make it a little bit malleable, and then put it in your ear up and down for 15 seconds, and then boom, gonna get some sleep. But I have a feeling I'll probably be using this not just for sleeping, but also in the daytime. Okay, so that's the package right there. And now we're gonna open it. There's an option to get like different carrying cases and all types of aluminum, like super dope carrying cases. But this one does come with this cool little pouch, so you can have your stuff, not lose it, keep it clean. This is really nice. I really like the recycled. This package is made of 100% recycled material. I love that. It's, you know, it's important when you're choosing a brand to try to choose people who just care a little bit. Okay, and they're inside the package, and I'm gonna dump them out. Sweet. Okay, like it said, there's 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3. And as you see, just with a little bit of pressure. So what it says is to roll the ball, and then, okay, I'm gonna put it in the ear and let's see how it goes. I don't know what, but I didn't read the instruction. Initially, I tried to disinfect it because I was like, Corona, so I was gonna disinfect it. Do not disinfect it with alcohol. It says that on the package, so I'm gonna try them on. So what it says is to roll them a little bit in your hand like this. I'm just doing a little bit of like, put it in your ear. Yo, a plane is going over. There's kids outside. Can't hear them. Yeah, a lot of the reason why I got these actually is because, you know, the kids are not at school. A lot of people are working from home. The parties, for some reason, have been going up. I would recommend these headphones and Flare Audio to people who are suffering from like any type of like anxiety from sound, or who have tinnitus, I don't know if that's how you say it, or who just kind of have a lot of like misophonia. I'm not sure how you say that, but it sounds just kind of gets you like aggressive. Invest, check out Flare Audio. I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna go get some sleep.